Good day everyone. Today I'll be presenting our activity titled Bank Account Simulations. So the goal of this project is to show how the encapsulations and validations work in a real-world example using eJava. So let's get started. So in this program, we create a class called the bank account. So it has two private fields, which is the account number and the balance. So we made them private to protect our data, meaning they can't be accessed or changed directly from outside our class. So this is the constructor. So the constructor sees the account number and the initial balance. So if the starting balance is negative, the program shows a message and set it to 0 to make sure it is valid. So this is the deposit method. So this allows adding a money to our account, but it checks if the amount is positive. But if not, it rejects the transaction and shows an error message. So if the amount is valid, it adds it to the balance and display the new total. Here, this is the withdrawal method. So it is used to take our money out. So it has also a validations, which is the amount must be positive and the balance must be enough for our withdrawal. If either of this is not met, the transaction fails and the program explains why. So here also, this is the get balance method. It simply returns the current balance of our account. So this is the main part of our program. So as you can see, we create an account with the starting balance of 50 and then we tested different cases, valid and invalid deposits and withdrawals to see how the program handles each situation. Now, let's look at the output. So at first, I created a bank account with an initial balance of 500 pesos. Then, I deposited 200 and it shows that deposit successful. Then the new balance is 700 because the deposit was valid. And next, I tried depositing a negative amount which is not allowed. So it printed deposit failed amount must be positive. So after that, I withdraw 100 pesos successfully and leaving me with a balance of 600. Then I tried to withdraw 1,000 pesos but since the balance was not enough, so it displays a withdrawal failed and sufficient balance. And lastly, I attempt to withdraw a negative amount which again is invalid and the program rejects it. So at the end, it shows a final balance which is 600, which is the remaining money after all is a valid transactions. So this output proves that our program correctly handles both successful and invalid transactions using a proper validations rule. And that is how it works.